When it's time to accessorise your CHR, here are a few of the items available. We are able to provide everything from replacement mats to scuff plates to protect the interior of your vehicle. For those of you needing more storage space for longer adventures, we have Toyota approved roof bars which will support most manufacturers of roof box. We also recommend investing in a dashcam. Our Next-based dashcam will capture full HD video footage and help to protect you if you are unfortunate enough to have an accident that's not your fault. The safety pack includes many safety accessories including safety jackets and a first aid kit, housed in this compact storage bag which can be stored neatly in the boot of the vehicle. The boot liner is tailored to the boot of the CHR, which provides protection against dirt and spills. It is easy to clean whilst also being anti-slip to prevent luggage from moving. The durable woven cargo net that fixes neatly onto pre-fitted floor hooks in the boot of the CHR to stop delicate items from rolling around in the boot. To find out more about the accessories featured in this video, contact us today.